Okay, William, go. What do you say? What are you?
All aboard!
All aboard!
All aboard!
Hi, Catherine. And then blow your whistle. That's right. And what are you? Is your name William?
No, I'm the train doctor.
You're the train doctor. Oh, okay.
You gotta get a ticket.
Oh, can you give me a ticket?
Gotta go on the train.
Oh, thank you. Is Catherine coming on the train?
Yeah, you gotta get a ticket, Catherine.
Catherine's got one in her hand, look.
Oh, here you go.
I don't need one. My daddy's already got one.
Here you go.
Do you want to give one to Mummy? Mummy,
Mummy?
Mummy, get on the train.
Mommy, you wanna get on the train?
Sure.
Come on, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Let's go on.
Let's do this.
What time is it, Mommy?
I don't know. Is it time to get on a train?
Yep. I'm the train doctor.
Look, she's trying to ride it. Look at her. She's trying to ride that little train. Let's see.
Are you getting on the train, Catherine? Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, William.
Yeah. No, I'm the train doctor.
Oh, you're the train doctor. Okay. All right. Go on. What do you say for the train? If you're the train doctor, what do you say?
Choo-choo.
All
All aboard.
aboard, and then blow your whistle. That's it. All right, let's go. You,
You gotta take, so you have to get forward here.
why?
Because I don't need it.
You don't need my phone?
No.
Oh, but Dad is filming you.
Here you go.
Oh, good girl, Catherine.
No, I don't need it. I'm
Oh.
the train doctor. And go!
She's trying to give you your toy back, William.
Thank you.
I'm the train doctor.
Yeah, that's fine. She's trying to give it back to you, though.
You're going to sit down in Daddy's lap? Is that what you're trying to do? Okay,
Oh,
here.
ticket! Tickets all aboard!
Oh, here's your ticket, Mr. Train Doctor.
There you go. No, I don't need it. I need... What time is it? What time is it, Daddy? What time is it?
Oh, I'm not Daddy, I'm passenger.
He's the train rider.
Yeah, you are passenger.
Yeah.
Passenger.
Yes?
You get the board, please.
Get the what?
The board.
The board?
Get aboard.
What do you mean aboard? Oh, get aboard the train.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. I'm aboard right now. I'm sitting in my seat.
I'm gonna sit in my seat.
Okay.
I am the train doctor.
You're the train doctor.
Yeah, I am the rider.
Okay, now start driving it.
Shit.
Oh, I told him the engineer drives it, the conductor.
It doesn't matter in this case.
Up to the out.
You're driving it.
What's that?
William's driving the train.
Now it's all done.
It's all done. We've arrived.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you say to
We're
all?
in the jungle.
We're in the jungle now.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you say to all the passengers?
Thank you.
Thank you. And what else?
Hello. Thank you.
We have reached our destination. Please get off the train.
Get off the train.
Okay, have we arrived?
Yeah.
Say, we have arrived at our destination.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can. You're the train doctor. You know how to say it. What do you say?
Well, I don't know.
You say, we've arrived at our destination.
Doctors can't say that.
Conductors can't say that. Oh, okay. What are you doing with the watch? What time is it?
It's 40 o'clock.
40 o'clock.
Yeah. We're in the jungle. Get off the train.
Get off the train.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're in the jungle. Hey, Daddy, get off the train. Get off the train. Get off the
Catherine,
train.
what? Hi.
No, get off the train.
Are you relaxing?
Get off the train. Get off the train.
Hey, nice.
Hey, conductor,
Yeah.
can you say goodbye?
Bye.
say nice to have you aboard.
No, we in
No?
the jungle.
All right.
Say thanks for riding.
Thanks for riding.
All right.